In this question, you have to point out the enzyme composition of the pancreatic juice. Option A, amylase, pepsin, trypsinogen and maltase. Now, amylase and trypsinogen are present in the pancreatic juice, but pepsin is present in the stomach and maltase is found in the small intestine. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, peptidase, amylase, pepsin and renin. Now, amylase is present in pancreatic juice. Peptidase is an enzyme which is involved in protein digestion, but it is not a primary component of the pancreatic juice. And pepsin and renin are present in the stomach. Hence, it is also incorrect. Option C, lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase. Now, lipase, which helps in fat digestion, amylase for carbohydrate digestion, trypsinogen, inactive precursor of trypsin for protein digestion, and procarboxypeptidase, that is inactive enzyme which is also involved in protein digestion, are all the enzymes found in the pancreatic juice. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, amylase, peptidase, trypsinogen and renin. Now, amylase and trypsinogen, as already stated, are components of the pancreatic juice, but peptidase and renin are not.